Are you looking to add some new fish to your reef aquarium but not quite sure where to start? Well, you're in luck because today we're talking about 3 hardy beginner reef aquarium fish that are perfect for those just starting out in the hobby. First up, let's talk about Chromis. These small schooling fish are native to the coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific region, and they're known for their vibrant colors and peaceful nature. Now, they come in a variety of colors, but my favorite is the blue-green Chromis. With their sleek, streamlined body shape, makes them a joy to watch as they swim around in schools. In terms of care, Chromis are relatively easy to care for and adapt well to a variety of water conditions. They do best in a well-established tank with plenty of hiding spaces and a moderate to strong current. They're also known to be quite hardy, so they can withstand some fluctuations in water parameters, making them a great fish for beginners. Next, let's talk about the pajama cardinal fish. These fish are known for their distinctive black and white striped pajama pattern, which gives them their name. They're native to the coral reefs of the Western Pacific and Indian Ocean, and they're another great choice for beginners. Like Chromis, they're relatively hardy and easy to care for, and they do well in a variety of aquarium setups. The pajama cardinal fish is a very peaceful fish that makes a great addition to any community tank. They tend to get along well with other peaceful species, and they're known to be shy, so they'll appreciate plenty of hiding spaces in the tank. In terms of feeding and care, they do accept a wide variety of foods, and it's recommended that they have a high quality diet. And last but not least, we have clownfish. These iconic fish are best known for their starring role in the movie Finding Nemo, but they're also a very popular choice for beginner aquarists. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, including orange and white, black and white, lots of stripes, no stripes, solid black. I mean, the list goes on and on with designer clownfish. Now, they're relatively hardy and easy to care for, and they're great at adapting to many water conditions and parameters. Now, clownfish are known for their playful and interactive personalities, so they're super fun to watch as they swim around and interact with their surroundings and the other fish in your reef aquarium. Clownfish also accept a wide variety of food, so make sure you mix it up from time to time and provide them with a high quality diet as well. So there you have it. Chromis, pajama cardinal fish, and clownfish are all great choices for beginner reef aquarists. So if you're just starting out in the hobby, consider adding one or more of these hardy fish to your tank.